Hi, my name is Ashidi. I work at Remax. I work in the Tableview, Bloberg, Melkbos, Morrison areas. I've put a guide together. It's a 30-day guide to getting your house prepared to sell or to list. You can do it in 7 days. You can take longer if you need. It's a very helpful guide. I've put it together. It's 10 pages. You can download it in the link below. Yeah, first things first. If you are going to sell your property, is you need to give notice that you're going to be cancelling your bond. You give notice that you're going to be selling your property, and you want to get a receipt from the banks that you've got that notice. If you sell or doesn't sell, it doesn't matter. At least you won't be penalised for 3 months of bond payments. There is going to be a link below for that notice that you're cancelling to your banks. You can download that for yourselves. So selling your home is very stressful. But if you plan and before you list and you do your homework, it's going to be a lot less stressful. So week 1, you want to divide your items in your house into 3 categories. One is what's going to show this house off, and that's your good furniture, good artworks. 2 is all your stuff that you want to take to your next home. That's like photos of your old gran and that you can put away. You're going to take it to your new house. That stuff you're going to store. You're going to store it with friends, or you're going to rent a storage unit that you're going to put away to take to your next house, and it's going to make the house less cluttered. And 3 is getting rid of stuff. So sell stuff you don't use or need anymore. Old magazines, throw them away. Stuff you don't need anymore, don't want, declutter it, recycle it, or donate it to charity. But yeah, that's going to make a big difference in your property. So you also want to start at this point interviewing an estate agent. You want to start getting a rapport going, speak to someone that you feel you can trust and get on with, and formulate a plan to sell your property. And you want to also start now looking at planning for that storage. Where are you going to put your stuff? Do you have to rent a storage unit? Do you want to have friends that'll keep the place? Do you have a place possibly even in your house where you can put everything just for now, lock it up so no one can see it? But yeah, that's week 1 is get yourself prepared. So week 2, start packing. Start moving. Take 7 days. Move a room by room by room. Pack. This stuff's staying. This stuff's going. This stuff I'm selling. You start moving your items to the storage you've rented or to your friend's place that you don't need. Then you're going to donate, sell, get rid of all the stuff, the declutter, the old magazines, the stuff you don't really want to keep. Sell it. Get rid of it. Put it on Gumtree. So week 3, you're going to make repairs, fix loose cupboards, fix doors that are not hanging correctly, paint, make sure everything's cleaned out properly, grouts cleaned. At this point, you're going to start looking at hiring an estate agent, and you're going to meet your agent, start discussing tactics. You're going to start preparing, you're going to ask for advice, and you're going to start preparing for how you're going to show your property. The agent will have put a marketing plan together. This is how you're going to photograph the house, video the house, do drone footage. Get all that information, get that prepared. That's a big part of the selling process. So now we come to week 4. You're going to definitely start working in the garden now. Get that clean, green, do some watering, hire a landscaper if you have the funds, make the garden look beautiful. You need to hire a professional cleaner, or if you've got time yourself, clean, make the house really, really nice. At this stage, it's a week before you're going to list. Get your photographs, get the agent to bring the professional photography in, everything's cleaned up, the photos will be ready to be taken. You can meet with your agent, start completing your document, and you can review your documents. You'll need FICA documents, you'll need your disclosure lists put out, so that takes time, and you want to get it done correctly. And then it comes to the stage where you activate the listing. And you're going to go on all the platforms. You're going to have your videos out there. You're going to have your Property 24, your Remax, all your marketing put out there. And then it's time to relax. And now you're going to just schedule showings and let the rest happen with your agent. So yeah, so you can do this. Selling property is stressful, but if you plan and you prepare, you don't need to take 30 days. You can take a week, or you can take 6 or 8 weeks to prepare this. But get prepared. It definitely helps on your selling price, helps on getting your property sold faster. Work with your agent, work with people within the industry that can stage or help you with getting your home prepared for selling. Your agent can also help you in that department. And it can be an exciting process. If you've prepared and you've done your homework, it's going to be a breeze. Please subscribe to my channel below. I'll leave my number also in the links. Give me a call if you ever want to sell your property or get advice. I'm going to leave a checklist. It's a 10-page document. It's a nice read. You can download it for free. I'll put it in the link below. Yeah, and I'll also leave that notice of seller to cancel your bond. That's a nice document to have. And yeah, have a great week, and thank you very much. Bye-bye.